This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to register the Citi Mobile Banking App. If you're ready to take your banking on the go, setting up the Citi Mobile Banking App is a simple and efficient process. Let's dive in and get you started. First and foremost, ensure that you already have an active CITIBANK account. This is a crucial step as the app requires an existing account to proceed with the registration. Without it, you won't be able to take advantage of the app's features. Next, head over to the App Store if you're using an Apple device or the Google Play Store for Android users. Search for the Citi Mobile app, and once you find it, download it onto your device. Once the download is complete, open the app. As you launch the app, you'll be greeted with the welcome screen. Here, you'll want to tap on the option that says Register Activate. This will open up the registration options for you to choose from. You'll notice a few different ways to register. You can use your bank account, debit card, or credit card. Select the method that suits you best. After making your choice, enter the required details like your account number or card information. This step is vital as it helps link your app to your existing CITIBANK account. You might also need to verify your identity by providing additional information. This could be a security measure to ensure that your account remains safe and secure during the registration process. Once your identity is verified, it's time to create your username and password. This will be your key to accessing your online banking in the future, so make sure it's something memorable for you but difficult for others to guess. Before you finish up, take a moment to review all the details you've entered. This ensures everything is accurate, minimizing any potential issues later on. When you're satisfied that all your information is correct, go ahead and complete the registration process. After all these steps, your registration will be reviewed, and once approved, your Citi Mobile Banking account will be activated and ready to use. Now you can enjoy the convenience of managing your finances right from your smartphone. And that's it. You've successfully registered the Citi Mobile Banking app. Enjoy the ease of banking at your fingertips.